Let me ask you a hard question. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but you're still broke? You're working, maybe even saving, but month after month, you're just stuck. No real wealth, no progress, just stress. You're not alone. Most people are taught how to earn money, but not how to build wealth. And that's exactly why you're not getting rich. But here's the good news, you can change it. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. This video will show you why you're stuck financially and the exact steps you can take to break free. Let's dive in. The first part we'll be looking at is the trap they never told you about. From a young age, we are all taught the same script. Go to school, get good grades, find a decent job, work hard, save a little, and someday you'll retire rich and happy. But that script is broken. Why? Because it was designed for a different world, one where one income could support a family and a savings account paid real interest. Today, inflation is eating your savings alive, wages are stagnant, and the cost of living keeps rising. Working hard alone will not make you rich anymore. You have to work smart. The second part is trading time for money is not wealth. Let's talk about time. Most people only get paid when they trade hours for money. The moment they stop working, the money stops too. But here's the problem. Your time is limited. There are only 24 hours in a day. Wealthy people, they build income generating systems. Money flows in whether they are working or not. It could be a YouTube channel with monetized videos, rental property that pays every month, a digital product that sells while they sleep, or dividends from stocks that keep growing over time. If your income depends entirely on your effort, you're on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not getting ahead. Part 3. You don't own anything. Let me ask you a blunt question. What do you actually own that increases in value over time? Most people work for 10, 15, even 20 years and have almost nothing to show for it, except for maybe an old car and a bunch of receipts. Wealth is built through ownership of assets, not stuff. Assets are things that make you money. Liabilities are things that cost you money. If your money only goes into buying phones, clothes, and cars, you're consuming wealth, not building it. But if you use that same money to buy things like stocks, online businesses, rental property, or even education that multiplies your income, then you're planting financial seeds that grow over time. Part 4. The income problem. Let's be real, you can't save your way to wealth on a low income. If you're earning just enough to survive, saving 10% won't get you rich. It will just help you survive longer. The solution? Increase your income generating potential. You need high value skills. Skills that solve real problems. Skills that companies and people are willing to pay for. Examples include coding, sales, content creation, copywriting, video editing, digital marketing, financial literacy, AI and automation tools. These are scalable skills. They don't just pay you more. They open the door to freelancing, side hustles or jobs, and even building your own business. Your income is a tool. The sharper it is, the easier your wealth journey becomes. Part 5. Mindset makes or breaks you. Now let's go deeper into your mindset. What do you really believe about money? If deep down you think rich people are greedy, money is evil, I'll never be rich, I'm just unlucky, then even if you earn more, you'll sabotage your progress because your subconscious won't let you succeed. Wealth starts with belief. If you believe money is a tool for freedom, for impact, for growth, you pursue it with confidence and clarity. Mindset isn't just positive thinking. It's reprogramming your brain to play offense, not defense. Read books, watch educational content, surround yourself with people who think bigger. Start small, but think long term. Part 6. How to actually change it. So now you know the why. Here's the how. Step 1. Audit your income. Ask yourself, is your income capped by time, or can it grow on its own? Step 2. Build or buy assets. Use what you earn to invest, not impress. Step 3. Learn high income skills. The more value you can provide, the more income you can command. Step 4. Control your spending. Track it, trim it, then redirect those savings into investments. Step 5. Rewire your mindset. Watch your language around money. Avoid saying, I can't afford that. Instead say, how can I afford that? Step 6. Be patient and consistent. Wealth is a long game. If you give up after 3 months, you're just chasing quick wins, not building lasting success. Let's be real. Getting rich isn't magic. And it's not luck. It's discipline, strategy, focus, and time. If you're not getting rich yet, it's not because you can't. It's because you haven't learned how to yet. But now you're learning. So if this video gave you value, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial content, share and drop a comment. What's one change you're making with your money starting today? Until next time, remember, the journey to wealth begins with a step in the right direction.